If your shoulders are stiff and locked up, here's what you can do. If you do passive hangs for time, you can stretch and strengthen from level 0. If you do shoulder rotations both horizontally and vertically, you'll build strong and resilient rotator cuffs. If you press in all directions with the fullest range possible, you'll build strong deltoids the same way Olympic weightlifters do. And if you incorporate isometrics, you will stimulate connective tissue and fascia growth that will keep you feeling athletic for your whole life. Share this to a friend who needs this.